Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-eyed Great Dane, back with a 458 star drop opening, and it looks like we're getting double star drops. And again, I would say what event this is, but I can't actually seem to figure out what event it is, but we are just getting additional rewards, so it's not exactly something I can complain about here. So let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with a rare, 20 bling,
Super rare.
super rare of 100 bling,
Epic.
epic of 200 coins,
Rare.
rare 10 credits,
Super rare.
super rare 50 power points,
Rare.
and a rare 25 power points. So a decent enough opening, and it looks like I have to start the video a little earlier tomorrow just because every other day we're getting star drops. Not exactly sure I'm gonna do that. Of course, I'll just have to record in inconvenient locations, but we'll see how that goes, I guess, if I'm gonna accurately record all of them. Again, just for today though, was 300 coins, so I don't have to worry about that, at least for today. Again, if you guys couldn't tell, we have the Mega Pig going on, but for the first time in a while, we also have the weekend event mode out. This time it's boss fight in Machine Zone. Again, if you guys just remember the most overpowered brawlers for boss fight, you have Edgar is always pretty standard. You can use Larry and Lori. And there's probably one other one I'm forgetting. I believe Clancy, I believe, was absurdly good as well. So his Clancy's super basically gives him infinite supers if he just keeps hitting all of his shots on the boss. So choosing any one of those three should make it incredibly easy to complete the boss fight special event quest. Again, you only need 5 wins anyway, so it should be really easy if you use one of those brawlers. Just a word of advice. But again, besides those two events, we also have Brawl Ball 5v5 going on. But let's head over to the shop and see what we have going on. Okay, looks like we finally have the SpongeBob items in the shop. Oh no. Okay. So you have the icons, offers, they're all just called offers, I guess, but we have the pin sets, player icons, and sprays. I honestly might just get all of those, but I think the main issue being that the skins here are directly purchasable only for money is disappointing. Because again, if it were something worth gems, you could just straightforward and go and buy them if you have them. But even if you have a fair amount of gems like I do right now, it does not matter. You can buy as many gems as you want. You have to make a direct purchase to get these SpongeBob skins, which is incredibly unfortunate. But again, at the very least, I guess I can end up getting the offers here, so. And we still have Dread Knight Draco out. We do have a gem offer, interestingly enough, even though that doesn't help us get the SpongeBob skins. We have a resource offer for coins, and we have a daily freebie of 5 credits, and 10 power points. So I can guess why they cost money. It might have something to do with the collaboration. They have to pay some amount of money to the actual holders of the created works for these SpongeBob characters, I'm guessing. So it might not completely be in their control to offer them for gems, but again, I'd still say it's definitely very unfortunate. If you guys, again, like I really wanted the Plankton one, but I don't want to spend $8 to get it, so it's a bit hit or miss right now. So again, I'm definitely interested to hear what you guys have to say about that, though. And again, it just says daily gifts, and we're getting double star drops, but it doesn't actually say why. I've checked the news tab, but it's still just showing the patch updates. Again, we have Scary Tales here, but I'm pretty sure that's just the animated video, so I'm not particularly sure what the extra rewards are for. Yeah, so I can't find out exactly why we're getting any of them, but again, as of today, I have 1,106 XP doublers and 97,207 power points. So again, let me know what you think about the SpongeBob offers in the shop, if you will be buying any of the skins, even if it does have to be direct purchase. But other than that, let me know if you're getting anything good out of your double star drops. But let's see how far I can take this, guys.